some style. Yeah, me I say. Anchovy police, just robbed me $50,000 a while ago. So tap me. So when I do no spot check, I pull over, my shut off the car, me in my seat belt, Zane. So no one search my phone, which me know say nothing on my phone, I never did have to pull my phone, you see me? I pull the phone. Take my phone in my brother and type in UK address in my phone, Zane. And when Google pull up so overseas name or something, call on a squad friend, cook up and tell them to go charge me this scam in a camera free port my friend. Zane me have to rise $300,000. Anyway, I'm giving you 50 grand because I'm not afraid down in the best believe, hear that? I'm giving you 50,000. Only if you drive off and realize say at that turn do. When me turn back we go link you missing. Brother son hungry on the road, my dog. You can't wait till we do a crime, you have a pin nothing for me and me killer. You a criminal.
Now imagine you're driving, minding your own business, and the police pull you over and they pull you over to run a scam on you. You can't make this stuff up. Only in Jamaica. And I believe what he's saying. I'm going to tell you a story. I think 2019, I came to Jamaica. And I was going to go pick up my girlfriend at the time. We're going to a party. And it was a four-way. It was late. So, when you're driving in these neighborhoods where there's no cars on the road, you're gonna hit the gas because, the streets are empty because it's late. We're going to a party. Anyways, this police pulled me over. Then when he saw, because, I'm dressed up. I'm going to pick her up to go to the party. He saw I'm all dressed up. He heard my accent. He starts to ask me, how much currency do you have on you? And what type of currency? So I'm like, what do you mean what type of currency?